dough set is the perfect addition for any kitchen. The dough press set comes in 3 different sizes, so you'll always have the right tool for the right job. This gadget is simple and easy to use. Step 1. Flatten your dough and use the press size of your choosing. Then, cut out the perfect dough circle. Next, place your dough within the mold. After that, it's time to fill your dough with your filling. Lastly, press and fold the ends together. The crimped edge design makes sure the dough seals tight and gives your pastry a professional look. The set is also dishwasher safe, making cleaning a breeze. This set is perfect for hand pies, dumplings, raviolis, empanadas, and so much more. Get cooking today with Zoe plus Chloe dough press set.